To synthesize everything, the first and the second speaker of the government side have talked about the advantages and benefits of environmental accountability imposed on multinational companies, not only micro but also in societal level. Moreover, in environment and human rights perspective, in addition, the government side has set mechanisms and goals to resolve the prevailing conflict that these multinational companies bring about into the community, specifically in environment, particularly in progressing countries or in third world countries such as Nigeria. The debate revolves around several issues such as globalization, economy, human rights, and specifically environment, and also political or government issues. First, let's talk about globalization vis-a-vis economic progress. How does this environment accountability imposed on multinational companies address globalization in relation to the economic progress of these progressing countries? We in the government side believe that environmental accountability should be imposed on multinational companies simply because they are responsible not only to their employees, stockholders, or people involved in the company, but also to outside stakeholders, such as the people living in the community. Thus, multinational companies corporate social responsibility. Multinational companies being responsible and accountable for the health will promote manpower and every firm, which results to a greater income, thus achieving economic progress. While on the opposition side, the government forms otherwise and believes otherwise is presented in insufficient data. We have also environmental issues, ladies and gentlemen. How does environmental accountability imposed on multinational companies prevent damages to the environment? We as the government side have said that through imposing environmental accountability to multinational companies, it is a way to prevent greater damage to the environment, making multinational companies responsible not only for their company, but also to the environment. Because the government side first sees that the environment plays an important role in the natural progress of society. Simply because the resources of activities come from the environment. And if ladies and gentlemen, if the environment is sustained because of the negligence of these multinational companies, such as examples given by the former speakers, then where else can we find resources?
Say that you will give safety and welfare to the citizens, but how will you give that if you get out this MNC imposed environmental accountability? So therefore, citizens will be out of the world for their own life.
We are not saying that we will remove these multinational companies from the third world countries. We are saying that they should have this environmental accountability within them. For example, I'm going to discuss a government or political side. You were saying a while ago, because you said you are shouldering the responsibility of the government of the multinational companies, when in fact, ladies and gentlemen, the main responsibility of the government is to implement laws, and it's for the multinational companies to follow these laws, ladies and gentlemen. Again, moving on, one issue is human rights. How does the environmental accountability imposed on multinational companies protect the rights of the people? We at the government side, ladies and gentlemen, believe that the dynamic nature of human rights demands the continuous evolution of international laws humanly relevant in a rapidly changing world. The increasing environmental destruction associated with human rights violations requires the human rights law be extended into the environmental protections of the way to improve people's lives through preservation of the environment, as what my speakers have said a while ago. At the end of the day, ladies and gentlemen, we in the government side advocate a constructive measure and a preventive way to save the environment from aggravated damages. And through this environmental accountability imposed on multinational companies, not only the environment will be benefited, but also every single person living in this world, down from micro level to a greater perspective, which is the macro level. And that's our recommendation.